Mm-hmm. Yes, seduce the criminal with your eyes. Yes, yes, motherfucking kill them, yes. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got this super duper quick tutorial I did on my sister for her graduation. We did the full face off camera and we're just going to be working on the finishing touches, which is the eyes, the lips and the cheeks. So to start the eyes, I'm going to be using my Morphe Glambronze bronzer in Leader, and this was the same bronzer that I used in contouring her face. I'm just going to pop this into the crease area just to create the perfect warm transition for her eye area. Next, I'm going to be using my Makeup Geek's foiled eyeshadow in Legend, and I actually use my finger for this to get the super soft eyeshadow application. So I'm just going to pop this all over her lid, well, most of her lid anyway. You guys can kind of see how it looks a bit more natural when you use your finger. I'm just buffing that out. And then I went in with this Makeup Addiction Goldilocks shadow, and literally I think that's everything for the eyes. Yep, it is. So for her cheeks, I went in with my Becca Shimmering blush in Blush Copper. Just like, this blush is life, guys. Just look at it. I'm going to dust off the excess powder of her face and just, and once that's done, I'm going to be using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Guys, I am hooked on this spray. Like, it just brings skin back to the face. Like, just watch the transformation, guys. Look at that. And then I'm going to be using my Inglot Sparkling Dust in number 3. You guys already know, like, how I feel about this. It's amazing on women of color, and I'm just going to apply that to the areas of the face that I want to highlight. So onto the lips now. I'm going to be using my MAC Lipliner in Chestnut. I'm just going to use this to outline her lips. And then once I'm done outlining, I'm going to be using my OCC Lip Tar in Interlace and Covet. Like, this two combinations are one of my favorite. Like, I love mixing those two colors together. I'm just going to apply this all over her lips. I know she looks scary right now, so I got her to blend a little, and then I went in to do some serious blending. So I'm going to blend with the brush, and I'm going to blend the lip liner with the lip tars, and I'm just going to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You guys are going to see me blend like my life depends on it. So now I'm going back in with some more lip liner, and you guys can see my sister's friend in the background there, just going up and down the stairs because we're setting up for the graduation dinner in the house. I'm going to be using my Milani lip gloss in Luminous, and I'm just going to use this on the lips to give it that extra juicy look, to make it look very juicy. So once we were done with that, I just handed her the mascara to do herself because, guys, this girl flinches like no man's business. But that is pretty much everything. I'm going to set her face into place. This look is super duper fast and easy to create. You can definitely rock it for Christmas Day or for New Year. But here's to wishing you guys a very Merry Christmas and a super duper Happy New Year in advance. And I will see you all and talk to you all in 2021. Bye, guys.